In this video, I will tell you a way to run Hermes Agent free on open source model Hy3, so stay tuned. Hy3 is the new open source model released by Tencent Hy3, a Chinese company who built games like Clash of Clans and WeChat app in China, which is considered as super app, and now it is coming in AI race to with Hy3 model. After release, Hy3 is free to use through OpenRouter. First, go to OpenRouter and search for Tencent Hy3 free model. As you can see, it has 262K content window and released on the 6th of June. If you want quick test, go to chat section, add the model, and start the chat. And to set up it in Hermes, we need API key for that. Click on Quick Start and create OpenRouter key. Save it. And if you haven't set up Hermes Agent, you can watch this tutorial for setup so you can just update provider. Save AI key then for model first. You can't see Hy3 free model, so add custom model and copy this exact model name and paste it. And done, setup is complete. If you're using Hermes through the web, start the Hermes dashboard in your terminal, then switch the model from the web interface. Let's give it a simple task. Generate a FIFA World Cup website. Within a few minutes, it's done. As you can see, it created a really impressive website, packed with smooth animations and a clean design. And that's it. You can now enjoy using Hermes Agent completely free for the next 2 weeks. If you'd rather use Hermes through the desktop app but aren't sure how to set it up, don't worry. I already have a complete tutorial that walks you through the installation and shows you how to use the Hermes desktop app from start to finish.